Have you ever gotten confused in a big group chat where people reply to different messages at the same time? Today I'll show you how to use the reply to a specific message feature in WhatsApp to avoid that confusion. Stick around till the end. I will also share a tip to make this feature even more convenient on your phone. So let's get started. First, launch the WhatsApp on your device and select any chat where you want to reply to a message. Simply click on the chat and locate the message to which you want to reply and swipe from it to the right just like that. And also the second way to do it, just simply click and hold it and tap on the plus icon right there and click on this small arrow right here, and you will be able to reply directly to an exact message. Now your reply is clearly linked to the message you are responding to. And also, as a bonus tip, on WhatsApp you can quickly reply to a message directly from the notification panel just right here. Just press on it and hold the notification to bring up the quick reply option. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to keep making more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next one. Bye.